Hi, I will read this book, The Adventures of Abby Alligator. I'm going to start to read. Abby the alligator is ready to walk. What will Abby do? Abby wants to be an acrobat, but she is afraid of falling. Abby wants to be an artist, but she can only paint apples. Abby wants to be an animal doctor, but she's allergic to AlphaTales. Abby wants to be an astronaut, but she meets an angry alien. Abby wants to be an actor, but she is awful. I forgot my lines again. Abby can't think of any other jobs. Then Abby has an amazing idea. I'll be an author, Abby says. Abby Alligator writes all about her adventures as an acrobat, an artist, an animal doctor, an astronaut, and an actor. Being an author is awesome. How many things can you find that begin with the letter A? I'm going to skip this part. I'm going to let you look for some. Okay, I'm turning the page now. A, chill. A is for alligator and acorns on trees. A is for a chew when you sneeze. A is for apples baked in a pie. A is for airplane up in the sky. Hooray for A, big and small, the most awesome, amazing letter of all. The end. Thanks for reading with me.